Everyone, happy to meet you all after a long time. I want to explain about what is selling because there are few people around me. They just asked whether selling skills we should know only when we are working as a sales profession in a sales organization. I should say no because selling is everywhere. Every day to day life we are doing selling. For example, your baby is convincing you to buy the toy, that is also selling, because selling is an idea. You're selling your ideas to others, that is also selling. Like your wife is convincing husband to get the sari, she sold her ideas. She sold ideas, that is also selling. So selling is everywhere. Every day today life we are applying selling. So even if you go to shop, you're bargaining, you're convincing them to reduce the cost, that is also selling. So do not think that selling is just only in a sales professional, whether he's a manager or engineer executive, only for them the selling skills are applicable. No, selling skill applicable everywhere. Whenever, okay, you are a project manager, you have to convince your boss to accept your plan, that is also selling. You are convincing them, right? In selling there is one skill called persuasion skill. That means you are influencing others to say yes. Whatever you want others to say, it will happen if you learn the persuasion skill. So like this, each and everywhere selling skills are important. In our day-to-day life, you will see, you will apply the selling skills. And what is selling? Selling is serving others. In what way we serve? First, we understand the customer need, then we give the solution. So customer is not interested to listen whether it's product or service or whatever. Customer interested to know how your product is going to give solutions, how your product will be beneficial to him to solve his problem. So that is selling. And customer is not interested to uh, buy a product if a sales engineer is not giving proper solution. Customer buy a product because he likes a salesperson more than the product. This is very very important. We have to be a good, we have to build a good rapport with the customer so that he or she will going to buy a product. So building rapport is very important in sales. Solving customer problem is important in sale, and building a trust is very important. And how we we practice integrity, it is also important. How we are being honest. If you are selling a product, customers should remember you. Whenever, if you are selling for example fridge, okay, so whenever customer thinks of buying a fridge, you should remember the sales guy. That much of impact you must have given to them whenever they come. So selling is very important, and along with the selling, a salesperson quality, how he's selling a product, that is also very important. How much value he's adding to customer. The more value you add, the more business you get. So value is equal to sales. How much value you add, that much sales it happens. So I hope this is very important. What is selling? Because I know many of you who are not into sales, but you want to come into sales and you want to learn selling. That is why I thought of taking this topic as what is selling. So thank you.